In this video, we are going to show you how to simplify complex topics with Poppy AI. Now, if you want to simplify it so that the lay person, the normal person can understand a study, an article, whatever it is, it's quite simple. Choose your study, right? For us, it's going to be this. And if you're going to choose studies or sources for your report or your research, go to Google Scholar, guys, because these are scholarly articles, not just go to Google and just see everything, because at least these are vetted, right? So once we got the link, let's post it here. Copy paste. Wait for it to load. After that, click AI chat. This is the engine, and just connect it. Right. So connect this one to this one. Now, some media might not be able to be read by Poppy chat. Some it's kind of wonky like that. So once this is connected, right, you actually need to prompt your Poppy chat in a certain way, like so. It says here, I want you to give me a simplified breakdown of the study linked so it's easy to understand to the layman or layperson, right? And then press enter, right? Let's wait for it to analyze the study we have connected. So this is practically it giving us a simplified breakdown of the study. So as you can see here, researchers wanted to find out if eating red meat, etc., etc. So it's pretty much this, right? This is reduction of red meat, processed meat intake. There we go, right? So that's how you do it. It's that simple. Now, this works for any topic whatsoever, especially just to make sure that it has a lot of the information in it, right? A lot of the data in it, because it does, the more data you have, the more efficient Poppy Chat can be. So if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.